Have you ever wondered just how much cash RingCentral is sitting on? It's a question that's been buzzing around the tech world for quite some time. Some say it's a cash cow, others claim it's a cash drain. But the truth, as always, lies somewhere in between. Let's dive into the world of RingCentral. It's a leading provider of cloud-based communication solutions, offering a suite of products that includes voice, video, messaging, and collaboration tools. But beyond the products, there's a burning question. How much cash does RingCentral have? The cash question. To answer this question, we need to look beyond the company's revenue and profit figures. We need to examine its cash flow. Cash flow is essentially the amount of cash a company generates or spends over a period of time. It's a crucial indicator of a company's financial health. Breaking down cash flow can be divided into three main categories. Operating cash flow. This represents the cash generated or used by a company's core business operations. It's a measure of how efficiently a company is managing its day-to-day activities. Investing cash flow. This reflects the cash used for investing activities, such as acquiring new assets or making investments in other companies. Financing cash flow. This shows the cash raised or repaid through financing activities, such as issuing debt or equity. Analyzing RingCentral's cash flow. To get a better understanding of RingCentral's cash position, we need to analyze its cash flow statements over the past few years. By examining its operating, investing, and financing cash flows, we can gain insights into its cash generation capabilities and its use of cash. Key metrics to consider. Here are some key metrics that can help us assess RingCentral's cash position. Free cash flow. This is a measure of the cash generated by a company's operations after deducting capital expenditures. It's a popular metric for evaluating a company's ability to generate cash for reinvestment or return to shareholders. Cash balance. This is the amount of cash a company has on hand at a given point in time. It's a snapshot of the company's cash position. Debt-to-equity ratio. This ratio measures a company's financial leverage. A high debt-to-equity ratio indicates that a company is relying heavily on debt to finance its operations. Exploring RingCentral's cash position. Now, let's take a closer look at RingCentral's cash position. Based on its financial statements, we can see that the company has been generating positive cash flow from operations, indicating that its business model is generating cash. However, it has also been investing heavily in growth initiatives, which has impacted its cash balance. The cash cow or cash drain debate. So, is RingCentral a cash cow or a cash drain? The answer is not as straightforward as it might seem. While the company has been generating cash, its investment activities have also been consuming cash. The balance between these two factors will determine whether RingCentral is a net cash generator or a net cash user. Factors affecting cash position. Several factors can influence RingCentral's cash position, including market competition. The competitive landscape in the cloud communication market can impact RingCentral's revenue growth and profitability, which in turn affects its cash flow. Economic conditions. Economic factors, such as interest rates and economic growth, can influence RingCentral's cost of capital and customer spending. Technological advancements. The rapid pace of technological change can require RingCentral to invest in research and development to maintain its competitive edge. So, how much cash does RingCentral have? The answer is complex and depends on various factors. While the company has been generating cash from its operations, its investment activities have also been consuming cash. The balance between these two factors will determine whether RingCentral is a net cash generator or a net cash user. If you're interested in learning more about RingCentral's financial performance and its cash position, I encourage you to do your own research. You can find its financial statements and other relevant information on its investor relations website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.